Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your PennyMac account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type pennymac.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of PennyMac. If you scroll down, you can look at lots of features provided by PennyMac. But for now, we want to log in. So let's begin. At the top right of the screen, next to this other support, and above this Get Custom Rates lies the button that says Login or Register. Simply click on it. Now it's going to ask you to either log into your account or log into your application. Depending upon your need, you can click on either one. But for now, I want to log into my account. So let's click on this button right here. A new pop-up will open up asking us to enter our username and password. Simply enter your credentials. In case you forgot your username or password, here are the buttons right here that says Forgot Username or Password. Simply click on them and follow the prompts. That way, you can again regain access to your account. If everything's okay, simply hit on this login button right here and you'll be able to enter your PennyMac account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how we log in to PennyMac. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.